So the next problem we're looking at, right on page 30, it says, Delia is bagging 24 onion bagels and 16 plain bagels for her bakery customers. Each bag will hold only one type of bagel. Each bag will hold the same number of bagels. What is the greatest number of bagels she can put in each bag? And how many bags of each type of bagel will there be? So once again, two questions that we're answering. Looking at it again, and now I'm going to underline some of that important information. She has 24 onion bagels and 16 plain bagels for her bakery. Each bag will hold only one type of bagel, and each bag will hold the same number of bagels. What is the greatest number of bagels she can put in each bag, and how many bags of each type will there be? Okay, now we're going to move down to fill in our graphic organizer. What do I need to find? I need to find the greatest number of bagels for each bag, and remember we're answering two questions, and the number of bags for each type, because they have to be in separate bags. We can't mix the plain bagels and the onion bagels. We have to keep them separate. What information are we using? We are using the fact that there are 24 onion bagels and 16 plain bagels. How will I use this information? We will find the GCF of 24 and 16. Then draw a diagram. Okay, that's what we're going to do today. Moving over here to our workspace where we're going to solve the problem. We have our total bagels is equal to 24 onion plus 16 plain. First step, find the GCF, greatest common factor. GCF of 24 and 16. Okay? For 24, we have 1 and 24. We have 2 and 12. We have 3 and 8. And we have 4 and 6. For 16, we have 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 3 and 6, and 4 times 4. Okay? Circling our common factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. No, not 6. Why do I have a 6 in here? Nothing times 6 is 16. 3 times 6 is 18. Why did I say that? I'm sorry, guys. So no 6, but we do have 8. If you caught that, thank you. So we have 8 as our greatest common factor. So GCF is 8. Now that is very important to remember. So next, I'm going to bring down that addition problem of 24 plus 16, and this is just like we did on Friday. We're going to break it apart into 2 multiplication problems. So we have we have 2 numbers that we can multiply to get 24, and 2 numbers we can multiply to get 16. We said 8 was our greatest common factor, so we're going to use 8 times something to get both of our numbers. So 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 times 2 is 16. People trying to get in here. Now, the next part is we're taking that distributive property. We are taking the 8's out of those multiplication problems. So 8 is now on the outside, 8 times, and whatever is left in the parentheses, 3 plus 2. So that means we are going to have 8 bagels in each bag. To answer the first question, the greatest number of bagels for each bag is 8, because that's the greatest common factor. And there will be 3 bags of our onion bagels, because 8 times 3 is 24, and 2 bags of our plain bagels. 8 times 2 is 16. And now I'm going to draw it out in the diagram just to help you visualize it a little bit better. So, starting with onion, I'm going to make O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because there are 8 in each bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 3 bags of 8 onion bagels. Now the plain bagels will be the P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 bags of 8 plain bagels. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay?